Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all over everybody. This is Sayed once again. As you can see, today's product is called NewsMaker Pro. I just want to do a quick review of this product. The complete entire demo video shows like clearly exactly how to do it, but I will also show you inside the product what it's exactly is all about. So in a nutshell, this is a plugin as well as a theme you're gonna get which generates everyday news. Okay, this is basically a news website, auto-generated website. You're gonna connect it through API or through Rss Feed. What happens is you get like updated with whatever your choice, like technology or fashion or whatever you're choosing. The news gets updated, like same like the BuzzFeed or the CNN. How do you think they also get such like plugins and stuff which get auto news updated every day? Like certain news they do it on their own, but many news is like it's just a plugin. It just keeps you updated every day. So that's what this website is all this product is all about. So how do we make money out of it? I'll just give you an idea what it is, so then you'll come to know what is the use of this kind of websites. Okay, so this is what it is. So you can see this. What can NewsMaker Pro do? NewsMaker Pro is a WordPress plugin and a theme that allows your subscribers to create money-making news sites. When they say money-making news sites, basically why news is so much famous is everybody on the phone like almost 24 hours. They keep looking at the phone, like any news, crazy news, sports news, they keep technology news, they keep want to be updated. So when they keep scrolling through this, what options are there is these kind of words on that, like it can be on the Samsung or news about iPhone or whatever it is. In between these on these blog posts, on these articles, you can add banners on the top, at the down, or you can the best thing I would say is out of this entire plugin is there's something called keyword keyword links. Whichever the keyword you want them to, or you can monetize the entire blog. Like imagine a keyword like make money online. So I mean, in this case, imagine let's do with how to lose weight articles, the weight loss articles, or like to do with the fashion articles. So you have to try and find affiliate products which is to do with weight loss or fashion, and try to link those keywords, anything to do with the weight loss or anything to do with the fashion. Try to link those, or any affiliate articles on any particular keyword. And when anybody goes through these articles, when they click these keywords, those kind of these are all like link keywords, we call it as, and when they click it, it will take them to the affiliate site. That's kind of one way of monetizing it. I'll show you what I mean. So let's jump into the product. So you can see there are a lot of cool features built in, like text spinner integration, ability to translate more than 150 languages, and so on. Check the full list of features. Okay, let's jump onto this. So if you like it, please click these green links. It will take to the sales page, which is this one. So this is the sales page. You can see this must have for all the marketers, profitable news site builder. Okay, before I even start telling you something, I'll tell you, don't think just because nowadays I'm getting like lots of complaints I can see online and places. Whatever the products I'm doing review or anything, these are all one way of making money online. Okay, so don't think that just by buying this website you're gonna make money tomorrow. No, not at all. It's just one kind of hustle, one way of trying to make money online. If you buy something, try to make use of it and work on it at least for like few weeks or few months, and keep trying. There's like, even if you're not able to get results on 6 months, don't think this doesn't work. It's all about persistence, guys. Okay, don't think that you're buying it and you want to make it work and tomorrow you want to make money out of it. No, that doesn't work. This is like, people like marketers, they have like hundreds of WordPress websites, and you buy just one website, and if you're trying to make it work, no, don't expect that to happen. It's just like a matter of, it's like you keep trying new products until you strike gold. That's what it is all about. But you have to keep trying. Don't think you're buying it, tomorrow if it doesn't work, it's just like crap. No, you have to buy it, test it. That's what it is. So this buying it, don't think, no, this is my main source of income. No, not at all. Make this live, make it live, drive traffic to it, then leave it. Then you can go back to like after 2 days, 3 days, what is happening, any traffic is coming in or not, check it, what ways to improve it. This is how we do it. Don't think, I really wanted to inform you before you even start reviewing this product. Okay, let's jump on the product now. So new WordPress plugin, create, set up and forget news sites, earn commissions and bring profits. So what are features, what they're telling you? Create multiple profitable news sites, passive new sites that work, no boring tasks, no content writing. Yes, no needed to write, that's pulls in automatically. Choose any niche, self-growing site with the free daily traffic, see results in little as 24 hours. So really guys, this is what makes people who buy thinking that tomorrow you're going to make money. Not at all guys. Don't even expect to make money on 24 hours. I'm telling you, I guarantee you that this is a sales page. It's going to be like salesy and hook in order to make you get attracted. But even if if you're like a top marketer, okay, I mean, if you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, it will take time guys. Don't think by seeing these words like making money in 24 hours, making money tomorrow. No, it will take time. I'm sure you can make money out of it. I'm not saying you can't make. I know many people have made such websites and they just left it like that, and they drive traffic, and of course it does bring affiliate incomes. I know many people do this, not like like just single page websites people do, and they leave it with Amazon products on it, and they drive traffic and they do make commissions. I know that, but I'm saying don't expect like tomorrow it's like this. You make it in order to sit this with this and make it work, it will take 2-3 days. Then try to learn about traffic, drive traffic. That's where you can get income like coming in. Okay, so let's jump on to the some of the features here. So this is something I like it actually. It's true actually. Big companies are doing it. Say sites like Reddit, Pinterest, Listly, Mix. It's true. Many people, many websites like top website, they pull contents like this. What our customers say, you can go through it. It's like lots of other features are there. This is something I want to tell you. Automated viral content, free traffic built in. What is free traffic built in? They have this something called syndication. Like, you can get connected to Blogger, Twitter and Facebook, and then you can schedule. That's really a very good feature. I like it. You can, like, all those articles are there, keep coming in every day. You publishing it. But how are you going to reach the people? There's something called a scheduling feature where you can schedule it and these articles keep going out automatically. So, it's a good way of getting pulling traffic from the social media. And this is what I was telling about. This is one of the, I would say, kind of a best feature out of this product. Auto replace keywords with affiliate links. Your sites will earn affiliate commissions from Amazon, eBay, Walmart and any affiliate program you can find. These kind of articles, imagine you're publishing an article on what I was talking about, fashion. You try to get some affiliate links of these kind of fashion products from Amazon. So any of the keywords, when you're going through it, you can make through that keyword. When somebody clicks, it will take them to the affiliate to Amazon site and they can buy it. So this is the way of monetizing it. Okay, that's one way of monetizing it. Other way is pulling traffic through the social media. Okay, I think you guys can go through the website. That's such a big one. Let's jump onto the product straight away. So this is a proper WordPress website, nothing different. You'll get a plugin and you'll get you get already a NewsMaker Pro magazine. This is the magazine you're gonna get, to the theme, but you can change to your own theme, but they recommend to keep it with NewsMaker Pro. This is because this is to do with news website. Okay, so this is what mainly you need to look at. You can see this settings. I'm just gonna go just a few hint. I'm gonna leave it because the proper demo of this website I'm gonna add to this video. It clearly explains everything. I'm sure that video explains more better than what I'm talking. I'm just going to show you overall what's like. If you know WordPress, this is going to be really easy. You can see this remove duplicate posts while creating new posts. You can turn on off. What is this? Because you're going to trying to pull content from lots of API, like news websites, and it might be the same website getting published again and again. So you can avoid it through that. And you want to avoid posts with like boring posts without images. You want with images, so you want to add on and off. Enable Google Translate. There's option to translate. You can see this. There's option like 150 languages. You can have a particular website just for your like English, just for French, just for this one, you have more chance of attracting more people. So if this is something, you need to pull in the API key here, and there's a tutorial as well. You'll come to know how to add your API key in order to get this Google translated. Then there's a spin writer. This is one of the very good reason for you to rank. You need to have a unique content with the spin writer. But if you're going to choose this, you need to have a spin writer. I think it's a monthly version. You need to pay for that. So you need to know that, okay, you have to pay for that, so you can add the email ID and the API key. And capture full articles. You want to capture, whenever they are trying to pull the articles, you want to capture the full ones. So that's the settings. Then we have integrations. You can see this is what I was talking about: Facebook, Blogger, Twitter. These are the two ones which is to pull the websites, pull the articles. These are ones for the sharing. See this? Newsstream. This is where the main thing. Then let me jump on the shared schedule first before going to Newsstream. So this is where I was talking about, you might be pulling lots of articles, but you need to share it across. This is the categories, and this is where you choose. Facebook, I want to share every 1 hour, and you can share which date to which date and schedule it. Halas. So once you have done with this, the article which is already there, it keeps publishing like every 1 hour, going out to your Facebook, going out to your Blogger, going out to your Twitter. So this itself is like a way of pulling traffic to your website. That's one thing. Okay, that's basic thing. Let me jump on to the main thing here. This is what Newsstream. So I think this is a demo site for us. I think everybody are playing with this and they messed it up, like pulling it, trying it and showing it. There are two options. One is you can pull articles through RSS stream, any website, you name it, like CNN, whatever it is. There are all news websites or any website, they'll have something called RSS link. You can go there and get the RSS link and add to it, and it will keep pulling data from that. The other thing is add Newsstream. You just go add, you choose between these Newsstream sources, whichever you want. You can see the famous ones: the Hindu, the Huffington Post, the Guardian, TechCrunch, whichever you can choose. Select the category, might be to do with technology. Then select like country, whichever, like Germany or something. Then save Newsstream. Once you choose it, it will create one like a Newsstream, and you just see it will create like a Newsstream. You have to choose, what was it, technology or entertainment. Okay, so it's create one Newsstream. So this basically means that in particular field of entertainment, you're gonna get articles on that. That's what it means actually. That's what you saw before. The same way, go back, let me show you. So this is what is created. Just now I did this. Same way, this is same thing for RSS as well. What I want to show is mainly the site, okay? How it looks like. So you can have like a same, you can see this, it looks like a proper news blog and something. The guys have been, I think we as a lot of affiliate marketers have been playing with the website. I can see lots of messed up article. You don't want to have so much, you can even just having one news stream and one RSS feed is more than enough. Like people have been playing with this, so that's why it looks so messed up. You can see this, it's a proper website thing. It keeps pulling the articles and it keeps coming here. Let's jump onto something. Let's jump onto one article. Let's talk about, see this one. And this is, it's like a mix of English and Germany. You can always choose like just English, just German, or just French, anything. So this, if you see, it's a proper full article. Let me see why it's just. I think you need to choose, I told, right, you need to choose that option of, let's go to the home. Let's see, entertainment. The option of having a full page article is very important. I think these guys have just added just few of them, rather than a full article, they just added a few of them. Let me go back to this one. I'll just show you inside the post how it looks like. You can see these are the posts which has been pulled. These are all the entertainment in the category, and these are the articles. You can see this is not even English, so it shows that you need to choose English, which I showed you lots of languages. They try to choose English. I mean, depends upon your necessary. Like you can go for German, or you can go for any languages. Just saying, you can add these things. the feature which I really wanted to show you is this one, you know, because what's the point of having such websites and if you can't monetize it? This is what I like it, keyword replacer, where you come here and just go here, add new keyword. So just add keywords to replace. Just imagine wherever fashion or let's see, like we are talking about fashion tips, or you know, somewhere something to do with the art. It depends upon what you're trying to pull. Imagine something to do with the fashion, or imagine let's choose, it might be do with the health. You know, what happens is when you choose the health, or I think there was entertainment. When you choose entertainment, these are all the articles which has been published under entertainment. So in the entertainment industry, you have to try and see, like, get links to do with entertainment industry or something, and then what you have to do is just put here, just come, let me think of anything to do with Amazon products, to do with might be to do with any headsets, you know, wherever the headsets are there, you know, whenever the headsets, the word keyword arises, you can just get in a link from Amazon and put Amazon links here, your affiliate links, I mean, okay, whichever, which is German or whichever the site you want to pull in, try to add that link here. It will replace that link, so anybody clicks that link, you have the opportunity to monetize it. This is what main thing is all about, save the keyword. So what happens is that that keyword has been replaced with that exact article as well. So whenever you want, you come in, you choose keywords and you monetize it. That's the main idea behind it. So overall, the full, there's like also there's option to also, it's a WordPress website, you can also integrate your autoresponder. That way in the middle of the articles, like you can have like all the top banners. You see this, which I wanted to show, these top banners, you need, because these places here, you need to make use of these banners and make like kind of ads, so that you can, I know you can monetize this with AdSense. So these are ways to monetize it, like put some kind of articles, like attractive articles, or like a poster, I mean, like a blah, what do you call, banners. So you can, you know, pull in the people and then make them give something for free and try to get their email address. So build list through this. So you can't really, I would say, is one is to add like affiliate links, one is to give away something for free in the, like these kind of when people come to read, they give away their email address for something in exchange, and try to, then that's where you need to monetize, like in follow up as well. So that's a way of building list as well. So I'll add the I'll add the proper demo of this. There's a full demo actually. I think this is the demo one. I'll add to this, so you can clearly go through this. You'll get more understanding. I'm sure I missed a lot. You'll get to know the entire features of this product. So what is the price for this website? Okay, so the front end is going to be $27, self-updating site, which is going to help you in list building, translate posts into 150 languages, text spinner, custom RSS support, complete content, custom posts, customize the content, passive commissions, custom engagement, multiple post options, full article capture, include feature images. This is going to cost you $27. Okay, then there's a OTO premium version where browser push notification allows site owners to build a list. Okay, the push notification option is there on the OTO only. Okay, okay, so you guys, if you really want, you need to spend $37 to get, because as I said, no point in having such websites if you can't build a list out of it. That's like even more than the sales, people who come there, you know, when that you get that push notification, you know, and you try to get the email address, that's like that's the biggest thing, you know, because this site is not going to cost you just one-time fee. You're going to leave it there, and you're going to drive free traffic through, you know, these kind of syndication, through sharing in social medias. But when the people come in, if you get their email address, that itself is worth it, you know. From these, you know, if every day some, you know, like you get like 10, 20, 30 visitors, getting email IDs from them, that itself is gonna be useful for future monetization. Like you can send them email and then follow up with them. So if you can afford it, go for the OTOs. Okay, if not, I always say you can always try the front end product, try it. If you're satisfied, then go for the OTOs. No urgency in buying like OTO in the front end, like first time. It's going to be there on the membership area. So that's OTO 1. Okay, then the unlimited site license. Oh, okay, that's also there. So it includes a license to create unlimited sites. Front end only allows 10. So with the front end, you have the option only to create 10 of them. Okay. So with OTO2, like unlock extra content sources, like this is with the unlimited site license. Okay. Then you have 50 done for you websites. We'll create 50 done for you website money making sites. Okay, 50 of them. Imagine. Oh my God. Okay. That's for it's true. I'm telling you guys. You might think as a newbie beginner, I don't have 50, I have like 10 to 15 I think, but this is just to do the news itself. Imagine you're basically throwing your net across the entire online field, like you're gonna grab, what do you call, like you're trying to fish, you know, you're just spreading your what do you call, your net across and you're gonna fish. That's what I mean, like, you know, that's what it basically, you know, people are just looking for news and you're gonna be present all over the website. Imagine 50 done for websites for 50 different languages, and imagine people, a good way to pull in people into your autoresponder and then trying to get the email and then follow up with them. Well, OTO3, this is OTO1, OTO2, 97, this is 197, I think this is 247, I think the reseller license, I don't know why the price is missing. It was, I remember it was something for 247, that's the last one, OTO4. 50 websites for 197, that's like, you know, well, it's done for you, but you need to still, it can be done for you. I'm not sure about adding your affiliate links and stuff. You need to, I think you might have an option to give away your Amazon sites in a link and then add it to it. I'm not sure exactly with that OTO3. The sites might be done ready, but still I think you might have to you know, in order to, you know, monetize it, you might have to add your banners, add those affiliate links and stuff. So that's something, check it out when you're buying the OTO3, okay, because that's most important. That's the only way you can monetize it. One is, of course, to get the email IDs. The other thing is to add your affiliate links. So check in case if you're buying this OTO3 regarding that. Okay, so the front end is going to be $27. If you really want it, buy it on the first day. So it does, the price keeps increasing on the other days, like till the 7-day launch. So all this you can get it for $27 by clicking these green links. It will take you to a sales page and you can buy it, and if you buy it, I do get commission because these are all my affiliate links. I need to be honest with that. So I also give away some bonuses, like this first one, WordPress. If you really don't know anything, this is like around 20 or 30 videos, like completely do with WordPress, will help you out. And second one is hack with Facebook, where you can drive traffic to these kind of websites. And this is like Instagram guide. If you really wanted to share across social media, this is gonna be helpful. And this is like an overall cheat sheet and a checklist to do with social media itself. This is also going to be a very good one. And this is a very good case study from Moshberry. It will help you how to drive free traffic to these kind of websites. And this is a cool plugin actually. It's going to be paid one. Thing is, imagine adding this plugin to these kind of websites. Whoever comes into your website, they might, the first thing is after reading it, they're going to press the back button. When they press the back button, this plugin starts its work and it will take them to the place where you want them to go to. Such interesting plugin from you know, Ankur. I like it. I use it in all my sites. If you can afford it, like $20 or $25, it's worth to add it in almost all your websites. It's really worth it. Just check it out. It's a review video. I'm not asking you to buy it, just a review video. I just wanted to give you kind of secret plugins. These are all used by top marketers, so I just wanted to reveal to you. I also give you so much bonuses. Please don't buy the product for the sake of bonuses. No, please don't do that. I know I'm guilty of it. Before I used to do that, but you know, if you think this product is going to be like something to add to your own kitty, like your product, or to make money online, try it out. Okay, it's like $27. Of course you can try it out. If you like it, you can buy the OTOs, that's fine, but just for the bonuses, don't buy it. You know, nowadays I just see that, you know, they just push the bonuses, and the product is of nil. Like, you know, don't do that. Okay, so whatever bonus you want, just comment below. I'll give it to you guys. I mean, bonuses are nothing. I can also show you the resources where to buy these bonuses or to give away these bonuses. that's not the main aim of the doing reviews. Really, I just don't even wanted to tell about bonuses, but I know because you guys are gonna press these green links and gonna buy, I'm gonna get commission. So I want to be like also give away something in favor, in return to you. That's the main aim of bonuses. Like, I don't want you to buy the product for the sake of bonuses and then, like, I am revealing it to you. If you like it, go and buy it. Okay, that's what it is. So if you like it, these extra bonuses, even with whether you buy it or not, just come and hit me up on the Facebook Messenger, join my group. I'll give away these resale right bonuses. These are all top ones, not PLRs, a proper courses one. You can also give it away as your own bonuses. So all these will be delivered straight away when you buy the product. Okay, and if any issues, just hit me up on the Messenger or email ID. I will just reply to you. That's it, guys. If you like it, please like and share, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so I can bring more and more products like this almost every day as it releases. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye.
I'm going to show you how you can build a completely automated profitable news site with the help of our brand new plugin NewsMaker Pro. Once you have the plugin installed and activated, you'll be greeted with a dashboard. Here you'll find quick links to knowledge base, support desk, training and tutorials, and changelog. To get started, we'll go to settings page. We'll just enable a few quick options here to achieve the best results. Sometimes different news sources may end up reporting the same identical news story, so it's useful to have this option turned on. This way our plugin will check if the news story was already published on our site, and it will avoid making duplicate posts. Next option is for skipping articles that don't have any featured image. Most of the time stories come with pictures, but sometimes we'll see a story that is text only. And obviously we don't want our sites to look like a boring wall of text, so we'll turn this on, telling the plugin to ignore any articles without images. Next feature allows you to translate all content to other languages. This is very useful if you want to build a news site in languages other than English. If you do use this feature, make sure to provide Google Translate API key. There's more info about this in the tutorials. Next one is very useful for making your content look unique. It's a feature that rewrites news content using Spin Rewriter. It's like having somebody tell the story using their own words. Very powerful feature that will help you get more search engine traffic for free. Make sure to pop your Spin Rewriter email and password to integrate this feature. And the last one on this screen is a feature that lets you use a full text of the story instead of just a summary. Some news sources only provide the summary, but we want our site to give readers the full picture of what is happening. So we'll choose to have full stories only by enabling this option. Next step will be integrating our plugin with some useful services. On this page, we can connect our site to Facebook, Blogger, and Twitter. This will allow us to automatically share our newly created posts on these social platforms and enjoy some free social media traffic. Next one, we have newsapi.org, and it's a free news feed that provides news articles from more than 30,000 news outlets. It's the most important integration that will fill your sites with fresh news every day. Here I'm just going to pop my API key. There's a tutorial showing how to sign up, where to get this key, and it's very easy to do. And the last but not least is the integration with OneSignal. This will allow your site to send push notifications to subscribed visitors every time there is a new post published. People will be getting notifications from you on their computers and even on their smartphones. These notifications come with a clickable link that they can click and go back to your site to read the news story. This is your own free on-demand traffic. Just enter your API keys and you'll be good to go. Now that we have all other settings in place, we can start telling the plugin what kind of news articles we want on our site. And we do that by creating news streams. There are two types of them. First one allows you to get content from newsapi.org. Click the button on the left and you'll see a list of news outlets here. Let's select a few for tech news. and choose a category on our site where to post these news to. There's also a category filter that is being used when looking for content. And if you want to have news focused on any particular country, you can select it here. And finally, you can limit search to a keyword if you want to be very precise. So for this example, I don't want to be very restrictive, so I'll just select news sources and leave other filters unused. Our news stream is created, and if you go to posts, you'll see that new posts are already being published. It all happens on the background, and if you keep hitting refresh, you'll see new ones getting added. Now we have 24. '26. Let's go to our site and see how the posts look like. This is our homepage. Let's hit refresh. And here are the news articles that were just created by the plugin. And if you click on any of them, we can go to that article and check how it looks. Let's check another one. Now let's go back to the news stream. If you click here, you'll see the exact news sources that are being used. And if you want to manually start a new batch of content to be published, just click this refresh button. You wouldn't normally use it because new posts are being made every day automatically. But if you ever have an urgency and need some fresh content to be added right now, this is where you do it. So that's how you use NewsStream. Another way of connecting your site to news sources is through an RSS feed. Although most major news outlets are already available through the news API.org, you might still be able to find one that is not listed there. But if they provide an RSS feed, and almost all sites do, you can have it connected as a news source. So let's set up an RSS stream real quick to demonstrate how it works. On this page, you have two options. You can enter the URL of the RSS feed of the news outlet that you want to connect, or you can use the built-in database of RSS feeds that we made available for you inside the plugin. Just make sure to turn this option on so all the included RSS sources become available for you here. For this demo, I'm going to select one of the fashion sites, and I'll set my filter to fashion category on the right. And as soon as I click save news stream, we can start seeing new items being published on our site. Let me refresh it again. Now we can see that there are 5 fashion posts published and new ones are still being added. Now let's go to our site again and see how the new content looks like. And we can see the new fashion related news stories published. Let's open one up, and it's a beautiful post with a lot of images in it. Let's check this one. Also looking good. Has a healthy ratio of text to images. Oh, and looks like this particular post was picked up from a non-English news source. And you can use the Google Translate feature that comes built in with the plugin. This way all your content will be in your desired language. Now let's hop back to news streams. Just like with the regular news streams, RSS stream also has an option to edit, do manual posting, and a delete button if you need to get rid of it. Now let's talk about the sharing schedule feature of the plugin. This is where you can create a schedule for your new posts to be automatically shared on social media sites. And that's a very effective way of getting free traffic to your sites. To begin, just give the schedule a name. choose which platform you want the post to be made on. I'm going with Blogger for this demo. Here I'll choose a category where I want my content to be shared from. In this box, you'll find all the existing posts that your site has. And if you switch categories, you'll see how the list is being dynamically changed. You can select multiple posts, and those will get shared on the social media site of your choosing. Here we're selecting how often we want the shares to be run. You can choose intervals of 15 minutes, 30, 45, or 1 hour, depending on how frequently you want your content to be shared. And here you can choose when you want the schedule to start running and when to end it. Once you click Save Schedule, the scheduler will start running and the plugin will automatically go through each of the posts that you selected earlier and share it on social networks on a complete autopilot. And your site will have a constant flow of traffic every day for as long as you have a schedule running. People on Facebook, Blogger, and Twitter will see the news headlines in their feed, and when they click them, they'll arrive at your site to read an entire article. You'll also have an option to insert your AdSense code or any other ad code inside the included theme. And that's how your site makes money. So this is how the plugin works in a nutshell. It fills your site with viral content, it shares it on social networks,